To automatically adjust your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra screen colors based on the time of day, you have to enable the eye comfort shield feature and then set it to adaptive. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Tap eye comfort shield. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select adaptive. With this setting, your phone will automatically adjust the screen colors based on the time of day. When adaptive eye comfort shield feature is enabled, you will see minor adjustment during the day and significantly warmer colors at night. As a note given to the function, it'd be better if you enable the eye comfort shield feature in your phone, regardless of which option you select, because this feature will keep your eyes comfortable by limiting blue light and using warmer colors. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.